Okay, sum number 2. Evaluate 3 minus 2, 4, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Here we will take the given determinant as A. I am going to expand this determinant through row 1. So the first element is 3. Leave off the row and column and write 0, 1, 2 and 3. By default, when you go for the second element in the given determinant, you will be having a minus sign here. So minus into minus plus 2. Leave off the row and column. So you will have 2, 1, 1 and 3. The last element 4. Leaving off the row and column, remaining you will be having 2, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now just simplify. 3 write as such, 0 into 3 from top to bottom over the cross. 0 into 3, 0. By default, when you go from bottom to top, you will be having a minus sign. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 from top to bottom. 2 3s are 6. From bottom to top, you have to do write a minus sign. 1 1 is 1. Plus 4 top to bottom. 2 2s are 4. Bottom to top, write a minus sign. 1 0 is 0. Now 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 2s are minus 6. 5 2s are 10. 4 4s are 16. Now what you have to do is 16 plus 10 I have added 26 minus 6. 26 minus 6 is 20. 20 is your answer. Shall we move for the next sum, children? Just a minute. Sum number 3. Sum number 3 is solve. Solve means you have to find the value of x in the given sum. What is the given sum? 2x 3 4 1 6 1 2 and 7 equal to 0. So here I am expanding through row 1. First element 2. Leave off the row and column. Remaining 1, 6, 2 and 7. By default, when you go for the second element, you will be having minus. So minus x is equal to x in x determinant. Leave off the row and column. Remaining 4, 6, 1, 7. Plus the third element 3. Leave off the row and column. Remaining 4, 1, 1, 2 equal to 0. 1, 7 is 7. When you go from the bottom to top, by default minus sign will be there. 2 6 are 12. Minus x. 4 7s are 28. Minus 1 6 is 6. Plus 3. 4 2s are 8. Minus 1 1 is 1. Now 7 minus 12 is minus 5. 28 minus 6, 22. 8 minus 1 is 7. Just a simplification. 5 2s are minus 10. Minus 22x. 7 3s are 21 equal to 0. Now 21 minus 10. 11. Minus 22x. Write it directly. Plus 11. Take it to the other side. Minus 11. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So x is equal to 11 by 22. You are getting the answer as 1 by 2. So by solving, we are getting the value for x as 1 by 2. Next is sum number 4. Find determinant AB if A equal to 3 minus 1 2 1 and B equal to 3 0 1 minus 2. As we did last year, we are going to multiply both the matrices A and B. So 3 minus 1 2 1 3 0 1 minus 2. First row, first column. 3 3s are 9. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. First row, second column. 3 zeros are 0. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Second row, first column. 2 3s are 6. 2 1 is 2. Second row, second row, first column. 3 2s are 6. 1 1 is 1. Second row, second column. 2 zeros are 0. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Now simplify. 9 minus 1 8. 6 plus 1 7. 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Now again simplification. 8 2s are minus 16. By default you will be having a minus sign. 7 2s are 14. Minus 16 minus 14 signs are same. So you have to add and put the greater number sign. Answer is minus 30. Determinant AB is 30. Shall we go to next sum, children? Sum number 5. After completing a sum, draw line, underline the conclusions, maintain your classwork notebook neatly. Sum number 5. Solve determinant 7 4 11 minus 3 5x minus x 3 1. We have to find the value of x here in the given sum. I am expanding through row 1. You can expand through any rows or any columns. Same procedure will be followed. Clear? I am expanding through row 1. 7. Leave off row and column. Remaining 5x 3 1. Next element is 4. By default you will be having a minus sign. So minus 4. Leave off this row and column. Minus 3x minus x 1. And the last element is 11. Leave off the row and column. Minus 3 5 minus x 3 equal to 0.